Assalamu alaikum. Uh, my name is Dr. Abdul Wahab. In today's lecture, we will discuss about the section 6 from 6 to 15. So you can see here over here on the screen disqualification for membership. Membership or whom? The membership of pharmacist. So in section number 6 of Pharmacy Act 1967, it is written a person other than a professor of medical institution or a pharmacy institution or an officer of the provincial government nominated under clause C of subsection 1 of section number 5 shall not be eligible for nomination as a member of the council unless he is a pharmacist registered in Registered A. So we will discuss about the disqualification of membership. Membership of what? Of membership of pharmacy council. Section number 7, publication of names. The federal government, or as the case may be, the provincial government shall publish in the official gazette the names or the official titles of the member of the council. It means publication of the names of the different officers or the members must be published in the official gazette. And it is written in section number 7 of the Pharmacy Act 1967. Section number 8, terms of office. Subsection number 1, subject to the provision of subsection 2, a member other than an ex officio member shall hold office for a period of 3 years, commencing other day on which he assumes office and shall be eligible for re-nomination. And the durations of the services of the different members must be for 3 years. Provided that, here is a condition, provided that notwithstanding the expiry of his term, a member shall continue to function until his successor assume office. Subsection number 2, where the federal government, or as the case may be, the provincial government, upon the recommendation of majority of the members of the council, is satisfied that a member of the council is negligent in the discharge of his duties or is guilty of any unprofessional or dishonorable conduct or is otherwise not competent to perform the functions of a member, it may, by notification in the official gazette, remove such member, and upon the publication of such notification, the seat of the member shall become vacant. It is all this section, the term, or section number 8 is about the term of office. Section number 9, filling of casual vacancy. A casual vacancy in the office of a member shall be filled for the remainder of the term of such member, not being less than 6 months, by nominating another person in his place in the same manner in which such member was nominated. Section number 10, vacancy, etc. Not to invalidate the processing of a council. No act or proceeding of council shall be invalid merely on the ground of the existence of any vacancy in or any defect in the composition of the council. Section number 11, election of vice president. Section number 1, a council shall every year elect one of its members to be the vice president of the council, and the vice president so elected shall hold office for a period of 1 year and shall be eligible for re-election, provided that a vice president shall, notwithstanding the expiry of his term, continue to function until his successor is elected. Subsection number 2. The vice president shall perform such function as may be entrusted to him by the council, and in the absence of the president, also the function of the president. Section number 12. Committees of a council. Subsection number 1. A council may constitute such committees as it deems fit for the purpose of advising and assisting it in the performance of its function. So the section which is related to different committees, that is section number 12 of Pharmacy Act 1967. Subsection number 2. A committee constituted under subsection 1 may co-opt its member any person whose assistance or advice is may consider necessary for the efficient performance of its function. Section number 13. Meeting of a council. Subsection number 1. A council shall meet at such time and place, and a meeting of the council shall be summoned and conducted in such manner as may be laid on by its bylaws, provided that until such bylaws are made, the president of the council may, by notice address to each member, summon and conduct a meeting at such time and place and in such manner as he may deem expedient. Subsection number 2. The president, and in his absence, the vice president shall preside at every meeting of the council, and in the absence of both the president and the vice president, the member present shall elect one amongst them to preside. Subsection number 3. The quorum for a meeting of the council shall be one third of the total number of the members, a fraction being counted as one. Section number 14. Annual report. It is related to annual report. As soon as may be after the close of every year, the central council shall submit to the federal government and a provincial government to the provincial government an annual report giving an account of its proceedings, together with a statement of monies received and expenses incurred by A during that year. Section number 15. Appointment of secretary, officers, and staff of the council. Subsection number 1. A council shall, with the approval in the case of the central council of the federal government and in the case of a provincial council of the provincial government, appoint a secretary from amongst persons eligible for registration as a pharmacist. It is mandatory that he or she must be uh, eligible for the registration of a pharmacist and register A of such terms and condition as it may deem fit. Section number 2. The council may also appoint such officers and staff as may be necessary for the efficient performance of its function. Thank you so much.